Founded in 2006, Princeps started with a simple yet powerful idea. What if there was a better way for OEMs to access the global market in electronic components, away from the computer says no attitude of global broadline distributors and the Wild West of the open market? By focusing on its core values of quality, service and communication, Princeps have grown from a small startup into an industry-leading specialist, delivering to customers the components they need on time and on quality. Princeps are becoming the partner that customers insist are part of their supply chain. Modern OEMs, especially those in the aerospace, defence, automotive and marine sectors, face so many challenges including availability, counterfeit mitigation, traceability and obsolescence. So being an OEM's first call to solve those problems is Princeps' mission, striving every day to make this vision a reality.
We want to make sure that we do things better. I want to make sure the customer's got every reason to keep coming back, no reason not to. And the customer needs to feel safe. They need to know that what they're buying is exactly what they're buying. When we set Princeps up, it was about quality, service and communication. And quality being at the forefront of it. You know, people need to make sure that they're getting a quality service along with a quality product as well.
The largest area of requirements that we see with regard to counterfeit mitigation. Traceability is another one, but with counterfeit mitigation, our customers need to know the provenance of their parts or to be assured that the quality is what they're expecting.
Princeps need equipment that enhance its inspections without adding unnecessary time to the process. The FISCHERSCOPE XRF instrument is a great example of this type of equipment.
So originally, counterfeit mitigation could be achieved using external visual inspection, but as we've seen the threat develop, we now have high power microscopy, we now have decapsulation, we now have X-ray, and we have a FISCHERSCOPE XDAL 237 XRF system, which gives us the ability to really, on an elemental basis, identify what's in a component. The thickness of plating and the composition of that plating.
This efficiency meant that XRF was the perfect enhancement for the Princeps Assure service. It was during a normal Assure inspection that XRF proved pivotal in detecting one such cloned part.
Well, we had an instance at the tail end of last year where we received a consignment of cloned devices. To the eye, they were absolutely identical to what the part should be. It's only when we've put it on XRF and we've been able to identify the composition of the plating that we're able to see that these parts had been made with a cheaper plating finish than that they should have been. There should have been a gold finish on them that there wasn't.
The counterfeit mitigation process that Princeps Assure Plus represents begins before its customers receive their quotation.
We always try and challenge ourselves as an independent supplier, not to just jump in and jump straight to the Assure Plus program, which is based around the AS6081 test plan. We try and always start that much earlier in the process. We're trying to put detailed risk assessments in place with the supplier, because that may determine where the test plan goes to the supplier to meet their demands and meet their requirements.
Just as the threat posed by counterfeit parts has evolved, the accreditations required to demonstrate industry-leading systems have so too.
As the threat posed by counterfeit parts develops, so our response has to. So we are always identifying new methods that we can use to identify counterfeit parts, and we're looking at the systems that we have in place. So where we've gone from ISO 9001 to AS 9120 to AS 6081, we're also looking at further accreditations such as ISO 17025 and AS 6171.
But it's not just counterfeit mitigation that keeps Princeps customers returning. A range of supply services such as easy access to global pricing, obsolescence monitoring, built products, tail management and kitting all play a significant role in keeping customers satisfied.
For recent projects we've sort of gone into a collaboration with an original customer. They're a manufacturer of power supplies. We found there was a slight hole for them that they didn't stock product. So an engineer couldn't actually get their hands on one, they had to wait 10, 12 weeks and had to buy 10. So we decided to embark on a stocking program with the military custom off-the-shelf suppliers that they actually have in their range, the Avanta range.
With a 5-year plan leading to more accreditations, further development of its subject matter experts, closer partnerships with its customers and suppliers, and a deeper penetration into the defence, aerospace and marine sectors, Princeps' future is bright.
Everything that we try and do is communicate and build a relationship with the customer to be their partner moving forward. And hopefully that helps us grow as a business also. I'd love everyone here to have some career paths that they can carry the journey on long way after when I'm gone as well.
You see some of these guys and girls out there, they've got customers they take from spending nothing with us to whatever. That's a real good achievement for them. That's the pride you get from it. It's seeing them develop.
So, if you'd also like to explore how Princeps can become the key partner to support your supply chain requirements, please get in touch.